Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study about some more operators, that is between, in, like, is, null. Right? So let us see what is between, what is in, what is like, and what is null. First of all, let us see what is between. So between is what it is. It allows to specify range of values to search in any column. For example, in a column, if you want to range for us, you want to search for a range, then you can use between. For example, if I say कि a column salary is given and I want to search for the record whose for the salary whose salary is between 18,000 and 30,000. So this between can be used here. If I want to say, okay, I want the details of employees whose EMP number is between 2 and 5. It will include 2 also, it will include 5 also, and of course in between 3, 4 and all. So that is what between means. And between always use with and clause, right? In this numbers or range, you have to write and. Don't write to, you have to write and. It will include the specified values during the search. So while searching, it will include the values which you have written. So let us have a practical example, then we can easily understood what is the use of between clause. So this is my table, as you can see. Okay, let me display the table again. So this is my table student, and I want to search for the records whose marks is between, I can say, 75 to 80, right? So how could I write? I can write with the relation operators also, जिनके मार्क्स 75 और 80 के बीच में है. 75 वाला भी चाहिए और 80 वाला भी चाहिए और उनके बीच वाला भी. So I have only 3 records, as you can see, 76, 78. यही 3 record है. So let me see how to do this question with relational operator. So select, I want all the columns. Select start from student where marks what greater than or equal to 75. ठीक है, and marks less than or equal to 80. So what will happen? It will give me the records whose marks is greater than or equal to 75 and less than equal to 80. So 75 and 80 both will be included if it is there. As it is not there, it is not showing you. For example, to clear you more, I want the record between 76 and 78. So 76 और 78 वाला दोनों ही आएंगे. अगर 77 होता तब भी आता. So I am writing 76 and 78. So you can see this is what 76 is also there, 78 is also there. The same query can be written like this using between. So can I write where marks between 75 and 80, right? 75 and 80 वाला जितने भी मार्क्स इनके बीच में होंगे, अगर 75 80 भी होता वो भी इंक्लूड होता है ना. Similarly, I can write 76 and 78. So you can see all the marks between 76 and 78, included 76 and 78 will be there. So this is what between. Now question says कि I don't want these 3 marks. मतलब ये जो 76 से 78 है इनको छोड़ के बाकी सब दिखा दो. So I could have done this very easily where marks not between, जिनके इनके बीच में नहीं है वो दिखा दीजिए. तो ये दो जो मार्क्स थे वो इनके बीच में नहीं थे. So it is showing me all the records which is not in between 76 and 78. So not between and between. Between मतलब है और not between मतलब इनके बीच का जो नहीं है, that it will show. So this is about between clause. Now let us move to the next clause. That is what next operator, that is in operator. So what does in operator says? So in allows to specify list of values. आपके पास बहुत सारी लिस्ट दे दी आपने और इनमें से बोला कि इनमें से जो भी हो ना वो दिखा दो. ये मुझे चाहिए. So that is what it returns, all those records that matches any value. जो भी record इनसे match करेगा, sales से या IT से, department जहाँ पर भी sales होगा या IT होगा, it will show you all the records. So you must have used OR operator. So it will work similar to OR operator, जैसे आप OR के साथ लगाते थे. Same can be used with the list also. So let us see the example. Suppose this is my table. Select star from student, right? And now it is showing me what all the marks, है ना? चलो all मुझे science और humanities का चाहिए. तो how could I do? Select star from student where stream. पहले कैसे लिखते थे? Where stream equal to science और stream equal to commerce. इनमें से कोई भी वो आप दिखा सकते हैं. तो दिखा दिया इसने, है ना? अब आप कहते हो मैम मुझे कॉमर्स वाला भी चाहिए और साइंस वाले भी चाहिए, ह्यूमैनिटीज वाला भी. तो आई कैन डू लाइक दिस. यहाँ पर और लगा दीजिए, और स्ट्रीम इज इक्वल टू ह्यूमैनिटीज. ठीक है. सो मल्टीपल और के साथ आप डिफरेंट आप डाल सकते हो चॉइस, जो चाहिए, और विल बी हियर. But the same can be written with the help of in clause also, या in operator also. I can use in. Select star from student where stream in. कौन सा? साइंस चाहिए, या फिर कॉमर्स हो, या फिर ह्यूमैनिटीज हो. इनमें से जो भी हो वो आप हमें दिखा दी. तो दिस इज अ सिंपल साइंस, कॉमर्स, ह्यूमैनिटीज, बोथ, ऑल थ्री ऑफ देम. जो भी अगर अवेलेबल होगा इन तीनों में से वो भी देयर, राइट? बट नल नहीं सर्च कर रहा, देख रहे हैं. सो साइंस, कॉमर्स एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज. इफ आई से ओके, आई वांट फॉर साइंस एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज ओनली, सो इट विल शो यू साइंस एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज ओनली. नाउ इफ आई से कि ओके, आई डोंट वांट साइंस एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज, रेस्ट आई वांट टू सी. सो सेम आप यहाँ क्या करेंगे? वेयर स्ट्रीम नॉट इन. So it will show you apart from science and humanities, right? But I think you can analyze here कि null वाला value it is not showing. Null value is not showing over here. Though I have 5 records, but it is only dealing with the 4. So null value can't be searched with this. So how to search for the null? So null क्या है? Null is what? It's an absence of all value. आपको वैल्यू नहीं पता है, डजंट मीन जीरो और एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग. तो आप कंपेयर कब करते हो? इक्वल टू कब डालते? जब आपको वैल्यू एग्जैक्ट पता होती है ना? इक्वल टू कॉमर्स या आप कब डालते हो? सेलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट वेयर स्ट्रीम इक्वल टू साइंस. ठीक है. व्हेन यू नो द वैल्यू देन यू पुट इक्वल टू साइन, राइट? बट व्हाट आई हैव रिटन, सेलेक्ट star from student where stream equal to science. 2 times I have written, that's why it has given error. So this time you know that stream is science. That's why you are comparing कि stream जहाँ science हो वो दिखाना. But you can't use here null with equal to symbol because you don't know. Because null is not a value. So as soon as you put equal to sign, it will give you error. Because ऐसा कोई null value नहीं है, मतलब error तो नहीं, empty set दिखा रहा है, क्योंकि null is not a value. It is not equal to 0 or it is not a string. So that's why it is giving you empty set. तो जब भी आपको null वाला compare करना है, तो null को कहता है कि भाई आप equal to मत लिखिए, is के साथ compare करिए, then it will show you कि ये वाला value ये है. ठीक है. तो null जब भी कंपेयर करना है, that should be with the is, not with the equal to. Reason is simple reason, it is not a value, that's why we can't compare, right? So that is what null here. So null means that is, I will do this slide afterwards. So is null is used to compare null values present in any column, because null is not considered as value. So we cannot compare with equal to sign. So to compare with null, we should always use is null. ठीक है, तो is null is there to compare for the null values. Don't use equal to sign. And many times the question has been asked ki I want to search for the null, so don't write equal to. Okay, only one null value is there. If I want those whose null value is not null, so how could I write? Select start from student where stream is null लिखते थे. अब इस टाइम क्या करेंगे? is not null. तो जहां null नहीं है, that it will show you. So this is for not null. So total we have 5 records, है ना? So it will show you. Let's see all the record. जब आपने null कहा तो सिर्फ null वाला दिखाया. जब आपने not null बोला तो all those which is having not null values, but not null मतलब null नहीं है वहां पे. So those values it will show, right? So this is the concept of is null and is not null. Now we are coming to the like. So like clause is what? Like is what it allows to search based on pattern. क्योंकि जब आपको exact value पता होती थी तो आप क्या लगाते थे? Equal to का symbol. But when you don't know the exact value, you are just saying, okay, that name starts with S or that name ends with A. So that type of query, if you want to do, if you don't know the exact name or exact thing what you want to search, and you just remembered what is the ending or what is the starting or what is in between, then you can use like. The pattern को match करना है तो like clause use करेंगे. So जब हम now let me say कि to use the like clause, first let us see. We have to use 2 wildcard characters. तो 2 wildcard characters कौन से आपके? परसेंटेज का सिंबल और एक अंडरस्कोर. So what does this percentage means? Percentage is used when we want to substitute multiple characters. Suppose you said, okay, I know the name that starts with S, but I'm not remembered exact name. So you can write S percent. So S का मतलब S से start हो रहा है, percent मतलब any number of characters can be there, maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, or maybe any number of characters. So percentage can be substituted with number of characters, multiple characters, whereas underscore is only there to substitute a single character. If I say, okay, I know his name is of 2 character, I don't know what is the name. In that case, when you are sure कि 2 character का नाम था, तो you can use underscore. 2 times underscore will help you to find out the 2 character name. For example, let us come here. For example, I know the Manjeet name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I remember that 7 character name was there, but I don't know the exact name. So how could I search the record? So I could have written like this: select. If you want all the columns, write star from student where name. Don't put equal to, because you know equal to तभी लिखते जब हमें exact value पता हो. So exact value नहीं पता तो हम यहाँ पर क्या लिख रहे हैं? Like. And you said 5 character word, so I will put underscore 5 times. I will put underscore 5 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5 नहीं, 6 character का नाम है. 3, 3, 6, 1, 7, 7 times. 7 character का नाम है. मुझे ये याद है, but I don't know the exact name. So I could have written like this. And you can see all the names which is having 7 character can be easily displayed on the screen. So this is what underscore means. Exactly that number of character which you have put the underscore. So 1 underscore means 1 character, right? Now I said, okay, जिसका नाम K से start होता है वो चाहिए मुझे. But then what could I do? Select star from student where name like. I remembered K से start होता तो K, but I don't know the rest of the characters, so I put K percentage. It means all the name which is starting with K will give you the answer. Suppose I said, okay, वो बताइए जिनका जो end है ना, नाम जो end होता हो वो A से end होता हो. So how could I done? How could I have done? This is K से start. मुझे आगे का नहीं पता. I know कि A से end होता है. So that is what percent A, right? K परसेंट मतलब K से स्टार्ट होता है, A परसेंटेज का मतलब A से खत्म होता है. So that is what all these names are starting with A, right? Okay, I said okay, I want those whose name ends with Sharma. Then what to do? Same, select name. और मुझे आगे नहीं पता, but I know his name ends with Sharma or her name ends with Sharma. So see, all the name which is with Sharma, it will come. You say the Radhika name is there. I don't know the last name. I could have written like this. क्या राधिका मुझे पता है, but I don't know the surname. तो राधिका and then percentage symbol. Quotes is missing. So Control C. Select star from student where name like Radhika percentage. Radhika percentage. So all the names starting with Radhika, but last name is not known. Suppose if I say ki I want those names, those details whose name is carrying K in between, but I don't know the starting or last name. So how could I have written? Select star from student where name like, I don't know the starting, I don't know the end name, but I know कि K कहीं बीच में आता तो K and then percentage. So this is about like clause. I hope everybody understood. Okay, I want those name. One more query. I said कि okay, last का जो second है ना, last second character is what? T. I want this name जिसका last second character T है, बाकी मुझे नहीं पता. How could I do this? Select star from student where name like last second character है ना, आगे का नहीं पता लेकिन लास्ट सेकंड कैरेक्टर से पता है टी है, और लास्ट सेकंड का मतलब एक कुछ और होगा यहाँ पर. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई पुट परसेंटेज टी एंड देन अंडरस्कोर, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट you have got the answer, last second character, right? So this is about like clause. So we have studied like is null, between, or not between, we can say, right? So this is operators, and of course how to search the null values you have understood now. So practice it, and if any doubt you can ask.